This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Removal. Battery negative lead disconnection and reconnection. Disconnection. Undo the bolt and disconnect the battery negative lead from the bracket on the suspension tower. Insulate the lead terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug, then unclip the wiring loom. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the side of the air outlet. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air outlet hose. Release the pipe retaining clip from the bracket and unclip the rubber strap. Pull the housing upwards from the rubber mountings and manoeuvre it from place. Pull up and remove the front cover from above the battery. Slacken the positive lead clamp nut. Detach the positive lead from the terminal and position it away from the battery. Disconnect the wiring plug, then unclip the wiring loom from the front of the battery tray. Slide up and remove the front panel of the battery tray and place it to one side. Undo the nuts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Slide the battery forwards a little, then disconnect the battery sensor wiring plug. Lift the battery from place, taking care as it's very heavy. If required, slacken the nut and disconnect the negative lead clamp from the battery negative terminal. Refitting. Fit the negative lead clamp to the negative terminal of the new battery and tighten the retaining nut securely. To help prevent corrosion, apply a little petroleum jelly to the negative terminal and clamp. Place the battery in the tray and reconnect the battery sensor wiring plug. Push the battery to the rear of the tray. Secure the battery in position by refitting the retaining clamp and tightening the nut securely. Refit the front section of the battery tray, ensuring it clips back into place correctly. Clip the wiring loom back into place and reconnect the wiring plug. Press the positive lead clamp down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the retaining nut securely. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the positive terminal and clamp. Refit the battery top cover. Position the housing over the rubber mountings and press it down firmly into place. Ensure no wiring or hoses are trapped beneath the housing. With the housing correctly fitted, secure the air intake hose with the rubber strap. Clip the pipe to the bracket and reconnect the sensor wiring plug. Slide the hose over the air outlet and tighten the retaining clamp securely. Remove the insulation, then secure the battery negative lead to the bracket. Tighten the bolt securely.